Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw an octopus character. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start with the big shapes of the octopus. We're gonna start with the head right here and go up and around, kind of like a circle shape. Like that, perfect. We're gonna leave some space underneath like this so that we can draw the legs. So let's draw one leg out here, another leg coming down, and then a few more. Like that. Perfect. That looks great. Next, we're gonna have one leg from the back coming up. Like that. And we're gonna add a line going down the side like this. Perfect. Inside this shape, we're gonna do some circles for the suction cups. Just like that. Perfect. Now that we have the shape of our octopus, let's add some eyes. We'll do a big circle right there. A big circle right there. And then fill in the pupils. Just like that. Good job. Next, the eyebrows. Some lines under the eyes. And a little smile. Just like that. Let's give our octopus some details. And maybe a couple little hairs. And there we have an octopus character.
Yay!
Great job following along with me today. You did such a good job. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.